Namaste yogis, and welcome to your 10-minute bedtime stretches for good sleep, ending the day on a positive note. Let's start off with grounding ourselves. One palm by your heart and the other on your belly. Grounding ourselves as you take a deep breath in and sigh it out as you open the mouth and let go. Take a few moments here just to breathe. Tune into your heart. Relax. Palms in Namaskara Mudra by your heart. Taking a moment of gratitude for the day that you had. And gently open up your eyes. Interlocking your hands, inhale, lift up, and exhale back to the chest. Let's do 10 together. Beautiful. 3 with the breath. 4, feeling that beautiful stretch for your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, lovely. 8, 9, and 10, making circles behind your neck, just like this. Further opening up our shoulders, creating some space after the long day that we had. And switch the direction. Beautiful. Feel the stretch. Gently releasing your hands, both the palms on your knees. Inhale to look up, curve your back. Exhale to round, cat and cow. Look up and down, 10 together. That's 3, Bitil Asana and Murjariasana. 4, a beautiful dance for your spine, releasing all tension. Lovely. 6, keep going. 7, at your own pace if you need to. 8, 9, we're just relaxing your entire nervous system. And 10. Back to center, making beautiful body rolls here as you exhale down, inhale up. That's 3, 4, create space in that lower back and switch the direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, beautiful, and 1. Gliding into a beautiful side stretch. Right elbow on your bed or Mother Earth, whatever it is. Open up that chest, elongation of the side of your body, and just breathe here. Inhale up and like a beautiful river flowing to the other side. Feel that beautiful opening, creating space in the body and the mind. Inhale back to center and exhale Bharadvaj Asana, twist, look back. 2, with the breath. 3, this is one of the most beautiful postures for your spine. 4, 5, lovely. 6, 7, 8, 9, being gentle with yourself, and 10. Back to center. And very gently sitting in a beautiful cross-legged comfortably as you go into your forward fold here. I invite you to just breathe here deeply, feeling a lovely opening in the hip region and the lower back. Just relax. Feel the subtle changes in the body and the mind. And gliding into a diagonal direction to your right side. Try to really get your hands further away from you, trying to get that beautiful elongation for the spine. And breathe deeply. Just relax and allow yourself to be after such a long day. A moment to pause. Gliding towards the left side. And relax with every breath. A little bit more space. A little bit more relaxation. Back to center. Looking to your left, down and right. Creating a beautiful semicircle for the neck. Releasing any stress that may have been accumulated throughout the day. Just releasing that at your own pace, side to side. And back to center. Lovely. Let's make our way into a beautiful supine position on your back, holding both your big toes. Anand Balasana. Just creating some space in your hip region, like a happy baby, remembering not to take life too seriously, just allowing ourselves to be, basking in that beautiful ocean of happiness. Lovely. Bhavan Muktasana with both your hands on your knees, making circles with your knees. One of the most beautiful postures here to release the lower back and switch the direction. Beautiful. Gliding back to center and stacking both your knees to the right side as you look to your left into what we call Jatara Parivartanasana, spinal twist. And just allow yourself to relax a little bit more with every breath that you take. Just breathe. Inhale to center and exhale to the other side. Feeling that beautiful massage for the spine. Just relax. Gliding back to center, both the soles of the feet on Mother Earth, a little bit of distance between both the feet. Stacking your knees from side to side, just like this, to create a little bit more space in the hip region and the lower back. Releasing any tension. At your own pace, listen to your own body. This is your time, me time, self-connect time. Just release. Gliding into our supine, Supta Rajkapot Asana, supine pigeon, right ankle on the left thigh, and feeling a beautiful stretch here for your glutes. And breathing again, deeply focusing on your exhalation. Evacuation of any stress in the body and the mind. Just let go. Gliding to the other side, nice and gentle. Feel that stretch and give yourself more breath where you need to. Just release and relax. Well done. Very gently gliding into Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly pose. Soles of the feet touch one another, palms on the belly, closing your eyes if you wish to, and just allowing yourself to breathe deeply, letting go of anything that does not serve your highest good. Another day, closing off the day by just relaxing, breathing as deeply as you can, knees together, gliding into our final posture, Shavasana. Complete relaxation. Allow yourself to just bask in this ocean of peace, saying goodbye to another day, allowing yourself the rest that you deserve. And I'll see you in the next one, Yogi. Good night.